If you're renting right now, you definitely need to hear this because every single month, renters are paying 100% interest on a property they'll never own, while homeowners are building equity, wealth, and long-term financial security. And the scary part is most people wait too long to buy a house and end up paying more later. Today, I'm breaking down the real truth about renting versus buying and why homeownership can completely change your future. How's it going, everybody? This is Marcus Guess with Keller Realty. Don't guess, call Marcus Guess. I'll take the guesswork out of real estate. And if you're new here, this channel is all about real estate tips, home buying advice, Georgia market updates, and helping people make smarter real estate decisions. Now let's jump into one of the biggest financial debates out there. Should you rent or should you buy a home? Now first, let me say this. Renting isn't automatically bad. There are situations where renting absolutely makes sense. Maybe you're relocating. Maybe you're rebuilding financially. Maybe you need flexibility. Maybe you're unsure where you want to live long term, and there's nothing wrong with that. But here's where people get stuck. Temporary renting turns into years of renting, and over time that can become extremely expensive because while renters are making monthly payments, they're building zero ownership. Think about it. If your rent is $2,000 per month, that's $24,000 every year. Over 5 years, that's $120,000 gone. And at the end of those 5 years, you don't own the property, you don't gain equity, you don't benefit from appreciation. You simply paid for a place to live. Now let's compare that to buying a home. When homeowners make mortgage payments, a portion of that payment goes toward principal. That means over time, they're increasing ownership in their home. That's called equity. And equity is one of the biggest ways families build wealth in America. Now add appreciation into the conversation. Historically, real estate tends to rise in value over time. So while you're living in your home, your property may also be increasing in value. That means your home isn't just a place to live. It can become a financial asset. And here's another thing people overlook. Rent usually goes up, but many homeowners lock in fixed mortgage payments. So instead of wondering whether rent will jump another $300 next year, many homeowners gain predictability and stability. Now, I already know what some people are thinking. Marcus, interest rates are high. Marcus, I don't have perfect credit. Marcus, I don't have 20% down. And honestly, those are some of the biggest myths keeping people from buying. Because many buyers qualify for loan programs with far less down than they think. Some people also qualify for down payment assistance programs. And credit requirements may not be as impossible as people assume. Now, let me be clear. Buying a home is still a major financial decision. You need to be financially responsible, you need to have stable income, and you need a plan. But too many people completely count themselves out before even exploring their options. The biggest mistake I see renters make, waiting forever for the perfect time. They keep saying, I'll wait until rates drop. I'll wait until prices come down. I'll wait until next year. But here's the problem. While they wait, rent continues rising. Home prices may continue increasing and affordability can become even harder later. Now, am I saying rush into buying blindly? Absolutely not. But I am saying this, preparation matters. The sooner you can prepare financially, the sooner you put yourself in a position to buy. And here's the part people don't talk about enough. Home ownership can impact generations. A home can become equity for your future, financial stability for your family, a source of long-term wealth, something you can eventually pass down. That's why real estate has remained one of the most powerful wealth-building tools for decades. And no, it's not always easy in the beginning, but long-term, home ownership can completely change your financial future. So what's the bottom line? Renting may help temporarily, but buying a home can create long-term wealth, stability, and opportunity. And if home ownership is one of your goals, don't wait forever thinking the perfect time will magically appear. Start preparing right now. If you're thinking about buying a home in Georgia or simply want to know your options, reach out to me. Don't guess, call Marcus Guess. I take the guesswork out of real estate. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more real estate tips, relocation advice, and Georgia housing market updates.